Honey is considered healthy, natural, medicinal. But that is only part of the truth. Honey is about 80% natural sugar and about 20% water. These are natural sugars, but the body still recognizes them as sugar. One of the most common mistakes is honey on white bread. White bread is a fast carbohydrate. It acts almost like sugar in the body. When you combine white bread and honey, you get a double dose of sugar. If you already eat honey with bread, a better option is integral or rye bread and a thin layer of honey. Moderation is the key. Honey is not the same for everyone. People with diabetes and insulin resistance must be especially careful. Honey can raise blood sugar quickly. The most common mistake is honey in hot tea. At high temperatures, useful properties are destroyed. Only the sweet taste remains. Put honey in lukewarm tea. In small amounts, honey can soothe coughs and throat irritation. That is why it is used in warm but not hot drinks. Honey can be part of the diet, but it is not a miracle worker. The real truth is clear. It's convenient, but it's still sugar. This video is informative and related to nutrition. It does not constitute medical advice. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.